Never, and I mean never, answer this question when you walk into a car dealership. One seemingly innocent question lets them trap you, raising the car price and interest rates legally. I'll expose the four-square matrix and give you 5 crucial steps to empower yourself. The salesperson's deadliest question: what do you want your monthly payment to be? When you give them a figure, say $500, you've already lost the negotiation. They'll manipulate other variables, shifting numbers to benefit only themselves. This is where the four-square worksheet comes into play, a dealer's favorite tool. They juggle these 4 numbers: your trade-in value, the vehicle price, your down payment, and crucially, your monthly payment. They make you focus on just one number, manipulating the others. They shuffle values, lowering your trade-in, boosting the car price, or both. All to keep that monthly payment where you want it, but at your expense. This tactic also affects another major hidden cost: interest rate markups. Did you know dealerships often add 1 to 2% to the interest rate you're approved for? That extra percentage isn't for your benefit. It's pure commission for them. It's a completely legal way for them to mark up your loan and pocket thousands. This hidden cost can add hundreds, even thousands, to your total price over time. But don't despair. You can absolutely beat these tactics. Let's dive into the 5 crucial steps to empower your car buying experience. Step 1. Know your actual budget using the 24-10 rule. This means a 20% down payment is ideal to avoid negative equity. Next, finance your car for no more than 4 years. Finally, your total car expenses should be less than 10% of your income. This rule helps ensure you're not overspending and stay financially healthy. Step 2. Get pre-approved for a loan before you even step foot into a dealership. This gives you immense leverage and a clear benchmark for interest rates. Work with your bank or credit union to secure your best possible rate. This way, dealers can't trick you into a higher rate for their commission. Step 3. Absolutely refuse to discuss monthly payments with the dealer. Do not fall into that trap. Instead, focus solely on the out-the-door price. Don't let them redirect you. Stick to the final price, including all fees. This includes the vehicle price, taxes, registration, and any non-negotiable fees. Step 4. Always keep your loan terms short, ideally under 60 months. Longer loan terms often lead to being upside down or having negative equity. This means your car is worth less than what you owe on it. While monthly payments are lower, you pay much more interest overall. Stick to shorter terms to build equity faster and save a lot of money. Step 5. Firmly say no to all those expensive dealer add-ons. These include things like gap insurance, extended warranties, and paint protection. While some might be useful, they are vastly overpriced when bought at the dealership. You can almost always get these services cheaper from independent providers. Don't feel pressured. Just say, "No thank you," and move on. So, to recap, know your budget, get pre-approved, focus on total price, TOW. Keep loan terms short, and always say no to those extra add-ons. Armed with this knowledge, you are no longer vulnerable to financial exploitation. You are now an informed, powerful car buyer, ready to save thousands. Go into your next car purchase with confidence, knowing you're making smart decisions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more essential financial advice. Let's dive a bit deeper into why monthly budget is such a dangerous question. They want you to focus on only one number to obscure the overall deal. By fixing your desired monthly payment, they can adjust everything else to meet it. This often means a higher car price, a longer loan term, or reduced trade-in. Understanding this four-square manipulation is your first defense. Remember that interest rate markup? It's a goldmine for dealerships. Look closer. The secret is the 1 to 2% profit. They get a commission for every percentage point they add beyond your approved rate. This can easily cost you thousands of extra dollars over the life of the loan. But with these 5 steps, you'll flip the script and be in control. Understanding the 4-10 rule is foundational to your financial safety. A solid 20% down payment reduces your loan principal and interest, and keeping that loan to 4 years keeps you ahead of depreciation. This entire rule protects your financial well-being and flexibility. Pre-approval is your golden ticket to transparency and fairness. It levels the playing field, making dealers compete for your business. You'll know the best rate you qualify for, preventing any hidden markups. The out-the-door price is your ONLE focus. Say it with me. It's the true cost, including everything. No surprises. Don't let them add hidden fees or services once you agree to this. Short loan terms mean less interest paid and quicker equity. You want your car's value to exceed what you owe as soon as possible. Avoid 72 or 84-month loans at all costs. They're financial traps. Dealer add-ons are pure profit centers and rarely worth the cost. Research these services independently. You'll find them much cheaper elsewhere. Empower yourself to decline gracefully, without guilt or hesitation. By following these 5 steps, you'll save money and avoid dealership traps. Yes, that's exactly right. The results are undeniable.
Outstanding success, Humphrey.
I told you it would work.